She wants a cookie.
She wanted a cookie.
She will want a cookie.
I study mathematics.
I studied mathematics.
I will study mathematics.
They come to the party.
They came to the party.
They will come to the party.
He drinks coffee.
He drank coffee.
He will drink coffee.
We look at the stars.
We looked at the stars.
We will look at the stars.
I take a photo.
I took a photo.
I will take a photo.
I study English.
I studied English.
I will study English.
He drives a car.
He drove a car.
He will drive a car.
They eat lunch.
They ate lunch.
They will eat lunch.
We play games.
We played games.
We will play games.
He watches TV.
He watched TV.
He will watch TV.
She speaks Spanish.
She spoke Spanish.
She will speak Spanish.
I live in a city.
I lived in a city.
I will live in a city.
They listen to music.
They listened to music.
They will listen to music.
She swims in the pool.
She swam in the pool.
She will swim in the pool.
I write a letter.
I wrote a letter.
I will write a letter.
They visit friends.
They visited friends.
They will visit friends.
We buy groceries.
We bought groceries.
We will buy groceries.
I have a pet.
I had a pet.
I will have a pet.
They ride bicycles.
They rode bicycles.
They will ride bicycles.
We clean the house.
We cleaned the house.
We will clean the house.
She exercises every day.
She exercised every day.
She will exercise every day.
He cooks dinner.
He cooked dinner.
He will cook dinner.
They work hard.
They worked hard.
They will work hard.
She speaks French.
She spoke French.
She will speak French.
He opens the door.
He opened the door.
He will open the door.
She sleeps early.
She slept early. She will sleep early.
He asks a question.
He asked a question.
He will ask a question.
She tries a new recipe.
She tried a new recipe.
She will try a new recipe.
I wait for the bus.
I waited for the bus.
I will wait for the bus.
They make a decision.
They made a decision.
They will make a decision.
He says hello.
He said hello.
He will say hello.
I am happy.
I was happy.
I will be happy.
She finds a key.
She found a key.
She will find a key.
We use a computer.
We used a computer.
We will use a computer.
We give a gift.
We gave a gift.
We will give a gift.
He knows the answer.
He knew the answer.
He will know the answer.
I begin a journey.
I began a journey.
I will begin a journey.
She calls a friend.
She called a friend.
She will call a friend.
They give advice.
They gave advice.
They will give advice.
We forget a name.
We forgot a name.
We will forget a name.
I forget a computer.
I forgot a computer.
I will forget a computer.
I close the window.
I close the window.
I will close the window.